This is the Ryobi HG 2530 industrial heat gun. Now, this industrial range is built for hard work in the professional environment. It is ideal for stripping paints, shrinking electrical fittings, bending plastics, and other heating applications. It can switch between 3 airflow speeds, producing 250 litres in setting 1 and 2 and 500 litres in setting 3. The temperature is changed with the dial at the back, up to 50 degrees in setting 1, 450 degrees in setting 2, and 600 degrees in setting 3, making the heat extremely controllable. Its heavy-duty industrial design and 2000 watts makes it perfect for long and extended use. The heat gun is comfortable, weighs 800 grams, and has a cord length of 2 meters. This premium range has high-end parts and mechanisms and has an extended guarantee to back the heavy-duty design. It features a nice big vented heat protection collar for added safety, and a design that allows it to stand on its back for hands-free work and cooling. The vents on the back also allow proper ventilation in either position. It comes with a concentration nozzle, flat nozzle, glass protection nozzle, hook nozzle, and a shave hook. Overall, a great heavy-duty tool for heating applications. Now, this is just one of the heat guns available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.